This is the Padua Podcast Network.
Sounds like gunshots. Fair warning. I have subscribed, and I am going to take you through what I got on my first shipment from Factor. Okay, Factor is a meal service that delivers frozen meals to your door. And I have subscribed, and I am going to take you through what I got on my first shipment from Factor. So you can see it's a very sturdy box here, easy to open. And we got some savings discounts materials in there. And it's well insulated, you can see, with that shiny stuff. Now, sometimes you get free breakfast meals, and that's what that is. That Egg Bites is not part of my subscription, but it's a free add-on. So we got some sweet and smoky barbecue chicken. I've got 6 meals in this shipment. You can adjust that. I think the minimum is 4 on the website. And you get to pick your meals. Grilled pork chop and wild rice. You get to pick your meals, and so it's not just a random group. They do have defaults, though, so if you don't choose anything. And there's a huge block of ice, of course, that's keeping it cold. And that takes a while to melt, I can tell you. Green chili chicken. I'm going to try this in a minute. Honey butter chicken breast. You can see it has 2 compartments. There's a entree and a side. And we got one more. And we got one more. There you go. That's all that was in the box. So we're going to try this green chili chicken and see how it is. You can see you got to poke some holes in the plastic and then microwave for 2 minutes. And you might have to microwave for more than that. Sounds like gunshots. Fair warning. Now I have a standard microwave. It's not an industrial microwave. It's not a tiny microwave. It's just a standard one. And I believe 2 minutes was enough for this meal, but some of them may require more. So that's why it tells you to add 30 seconds at a time if you need to. Got to be careful. It's going to be hot when it comes out of the microwave, of course. And be careful of tearing that plastic off. Just following the instructions here, it says to spoon it out onto a plate, which makes for a better dining experience, of course. And I liked it that way. But presumably you could just eat it out of the plastic container, so you wouldn't have to wash a plate. So you got the wild rice there, you got the chicken with the chili and sauce on top. And this was a pretty good meal. It tastes good. It was plenty to eat. It was filling. The meat was nice and juicy, wasn't overcooked or undercooked. The sauce was good. The rice was fluffy. It was, everything a meal is supposed to be, basically. And only, I think 400 something calories. So, Factor is probably a good idea if you want to, stay on top of your, if you're trying to manage your weight and count your calories. And it's a good way to kind of do that and give you some structure around your meals. So they just come to your door. And it comes dinner time, you just put them in the mic for 2 minutes and you're done. And then you enjoy your meal. So pretty good. I got 6. You can choose. I think the minimum is 4 per week. And I believe it's something over $100 a week. So kind of pricey, I guess, for a home meal. But it's definitely tastes good, definitely filling, definitely apparently healthy. I'm not sure exactly how healthy it is, but in terms of calories anyway, it is. So far, nothing bad to say about Factor. Maybe a little pricey for some, but overall a pretty good experience so far. We'll see how it goes. Thank you for listening and watching Running a Fever.